Good morning, guys. This is the day that the Lord has made. We shall rejoice and be glad in it. So yesterday I spent quite a bit of time cleaning my back porch. I cleaned out all of my green stalks and my lead pot system. I'm going to be starting plants in there this week. Mother's Day gift is still thriving and looking beautiful. I don't know if you guys remember, but I used to have a small pot of mint, and I took that small pot of mint at the end of the last growing season, and I put it in this garden bed with my blue sage and some lilies, different types of lilies, and look at how it is doing. We're going to come and harvest some today because I need to make a mint syrup. Look at our patio peaches. They are doing absolutely amazing. Our kitchen garden is looking so beautiful. Look at that. We have garlic and hostas, lemon thyme, chocolate mint, banana mint, strawberry mint. We have our mullein that seems like it wants to put on a flower. Our elephant ears and lilies are doing amazing. We have hostas sprinkled throughout the garden, as well as strawberries. Our green beans are doing very well. I can tell that some beans are going to begin to form very soon. Our pumpkins really love the watermelon area. I have to come over from time to time because you guys know what these are. But look at the surprise that is waiting for us. Isn't that beautiful? And the bees are enjoying the plant as well. The Japanese beetles have really been bothering our plants, but I've been working really hard to keep them at bay. Our combo pear tree is looking gorgeous. Our pineapple pear is as beautiful as it can be, and I do believe that it is going to bear some fruit this year. I'm going to come through with a hard spray of the hose to get the aphids off. The Japanese beetles have been trying to attack the Santa Rosa plum trees, but they are standing strong. We have just a few lilies that are showing, zinnias, excuse me, that are showing their face. The figs are moving pretty slow this year, and well, the rose chaos that I have going on back here will get cleaned up shortly. That's my next project. But look at this beauty. And my hibiscus has decided to show its face this year. I cut the canes all the way back, and look at the gorgeousness that has showed up for me this year. Tomatoes are doing pretty good. This year I decided to only grow determinate tomatoes. And if you guys remember, we were straightening up our weed fabric in the last video. Our peppers are moving slow this year, but they are moving. This is the area that we cleaned out to make it easier to be able to access different sections of the garden, and it's working out very, very well. These are the Bait Alpha cucumbers that we planted on that same day when we cleaned this area out. Look at those sweet potatoes. Although I didn't plant any this year, it looks like I'm gonna get a great harvest. And if you can see, the watermelons that we planted have shown their face. Watermelon wars, your girl is in. And that's the great part about being a gardener. When you go to the store and you can't find what you're looking for, you know how to grow it. I decided to put our loofah into a pot this year and still allow it to climb the fence for its trellis. And it has not disappointed. It has, just as our pumpkin has, began to put on fruit. Thelma and Louise and Lorraine, they are living their best lives, hanging out, watching over the garden, and planting seeds all by themselves. If you can see, they have pumpkin and tomato all around their chicken run, and I didn't plant it. The amaranth is doing its job while looking amazing. It's protecting our cucumbers. The strawberries in the green stalk have run their course for the year, but the new plants are beginning to show their faces. It's amazing what a day can bring in the garden. And that's why it's just such a blessing to me to be able to see it and be a part of it. Because one day, when you go out and you see nothing, you can come back and see new. All things new. And it's an amazing feeling. It's absolutely beautiful. Guys, thank you for taking this Sunday morning journey with me. And as always, get up, get out, and grow something, and have faith in our food. We'll see you the next time.